Another day stuck inside because of this endless rain.
Seriously? Canceled again? This is unbearable.
Man, this rain is seriously cramping my style. Nothing to do.
That's it. I've got to do something about this.
Hello. What now?
I have an idea. Let's not let this gloomy rain win.
I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that.
Hey everyone, so glad you could make it.
Ready for some fun?
What's the master plan, boss?
Come on in, guys. The fun is just getting started.